Hello, friends. 9.1 million seniors in America qualify for benefits right now, but nobody ever told them. And $58 billion goes unclaimed every single year. That is real money sitting on the table waiting, and there are bills you are still paying every month that you actually do not have to pay at all after age 65. Today I'm going to walk you through 12 bills seniors can legally stop paying with the exact dollar amounts, the exact phone numbers, and the exact steps to make it happen. This channel breaks down government rules that change every year, so you hear about the money before the deadline passes, not after. So subscribe and turn on that bell right now. Number 1. Your Medicare Part B premium. Right now that is $202.90 every single month, deducted straight from your Social Security check automatically. But here is what nobody tells you. If your monthly income is below $1,350 as a single person, your state will pay that premium for you completely. That program is called the Qualified Medicare Beneficiary Program, known as QMB, and it covers the premium plus deductibles plus copays, saving you over $2,400 a year. For a married couple, the income limit is $1,824 a month, and you apply through your state Medicaid office or by calling 1-800-MEDICARE. If you earn a little more than the QMB limit, there is a second program called SLMB that still pays the full Part B premium at a higher income cutoff around $1,600 per month. 6.6 million seniors qualify for these Medicare savings programs right now, but only about half of them are enrolled, and nobody from the government is going to call and remind you. Number 2. Your prescription drug costs. The Medicare Extra Help Program saves qualifying seniors an average of $5,700 every single year on Part D drug expenses. If your annual income is under $23,475 for a single person, you can apply at ssa.gov or call 1-800-772-1213. Your copays on prescriptions drop to just $12.65 or less per medication, and the program also covers your Part D monthly premium, which can run $40 to $80. Number 3. Your grocery bill. The SNAP program gives eligible seniors an average of $188 every month for food. Yet only 38% of eligible seniors sign up. Seniors 65 and older have special rules. You can have up to $4,500 in assets and still qualify, and many states waive the gross income test for elderly households. You can apply at your local social services office, online through your state SNAP portal, or with help from NCOA's free Benefits Checkup tool at benefitscheckup.org. It takes about 10 minutes. Number 4. Your phone bill. The Federal Lifeline program gives eligible seniors a $9.25 monthly discount on phone or internet service every single month. If you are on Medicaid, SSI, SNAP, or Veterans Pension, you automatically qualify, and you apply for free online at lifelinesupport.org. It takes about 5 minutes to complete. Number 5. Your electric and gas bills. The LIHEAP program helps low-income seniors pay their home energy costs with an average benefit between $300 and $1,000 per year. The income limit is 150% of the federal poverty level, which for a single person in 2026 is about $23,940 per year. To apply for LIHEAP, call 211 from any phone or contact your local community action agency. The money goes directly to your utility company, so you never see a disconnection notice again. Number 6. Federal income tax on your Social Security. If your combined income is under $25,000 as a single filer, you owe zero federal tax on your Social Security benefits. For married couples filing jointly, that threshold is $32,000. And 41 states plus Washington, D.C. already do not tax Social Security benefits at the state level at all. Number 7. The new enhanced senior deduction of $6,000. This started in 2025 under the One Big Beautiful Bill, and seniors can claim it right now on their next return. A single senior gets a total standard deduction of $23,750, and a married couple, both 65 or older, gets a combined $47,500. The deduction phases out if your modified adjusted gross income exceeds $75,000 for single filers or $150,000 for joint filers. So check your numbers before filing. Number 8. Your tax preparation bill. The IRS VITA and TCE programs offer completely free tax filing for anyone earning $69,000 or less, and TCE specifically serves seniors. Call 800-906-9887 or visit irs.gov/VITA to find a free site near you. The volunteers are IRS certified and the service is completely confidential. Number 9. Your dental and vision bills. Most people think Medicare does not cover dental or vision, but over 97% of Medicare Advantage plans now include dental, vision, and hearing benefits. The average monthly premium for a Medicare Advantage plan in 2026 is around $17, and some plans charge $0 per month while including routine eye exams and cleanings. Number 10. Your home repair costs. The USDA Section 504 program gives seniors 62 and older grants of up to $10,000 for critical home repairs, and you never pay it back. You must live in a rural area and have a very low household income, and you apply through your local USDA Rural Development Office or online at rd.usda.gov. The grant is lifetime. Number 11. Your legal fees. Under the Older Americans Act, every state has free legal services for people 60 and older, covering issues like landlord disputes, benefits denials, and consumer fraud. Call the Elder Care Locator at 1-800-677-1116, and they will connect you to free legal aid in your county. No income requirement for the initial consultation in most states. Number 12. The credit for the elderly or disabled. This is a little-known IRS tax credit on Schedule R worth between $375 and $750 depending on your income. If you are 65 or older and your adjusted gross income is modest, this credit directly reduces the tax you owe dollar for dollar. But almost nobody claims it because almost nobody knows it exists. So let us bring it all together. 12 bills, 12 programs, and thousands of dollars sitting on the table that the government will never volunteer to hand you because you have to ask for it. Your first step today is to go to benefitscheckup.org and answer a few simple questions. The tool is free, and it will show you exactly which programs you qualify for in your state. If you do not use a computer, call 211 from any phone. That is your local helpline, and a real person will walk you through every single program we covered here today, step by step. If this video helped you, please share it with a parent, a neighbor, or a friend who is living on Social Security, because one conversation about these programs can change someone's year completely.